This video is brought to you by City Parent. Are you tired of struggling in the kitchen with low-quality tools that just don't cut it? Look no further than Cuisipro. For over 30 years, they have been designing high-quality, innovative products that make cooking and baking easier and more fun for you. Quality, innovation, and usability is at the forefront of all of their products, and their unwavering focus on the needs and wants of the home chef sets them apart from their competitors. Each tool is crafted with the best materials and cutting-edge features, all to elevate your cooking experience. The versatility and multifunctionality of Cuisipro makes time in the kitchen fun and more convenient for everyone, from young families to experienced chefs. Follow Cuisipro on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube at @Cuisipro for more information on their products and for customer reviews. Visit www.cuisipro.com to upgrade your cooking and baking experience today.